Hello dear friends, we are Shandong Linke Industry Group. This is our newly manufactured LK 60 horsepower 4-wheel drive tractor. This tractor we uses Yangdong diesel engine, 7.5 16-inch front tire, single stage clutch, 8 forward and 2 rear gear shifts, 12.4 24-inch rear tire. This is the 3-point mounting, and this is a double-speed PTO with 540 or 720 round per minute. There are multifunctional instruments, fuel gauge, tachometer, and water temperature gauge. This is the roll bar to prevent it from rolling. There are 48 kilograms of front ballast to prevent it from tipping. If you are interested in our tractors, please share your contact information. Our sales manager will contact you within 24 hours.